You remember that time when you felt like shit? Your life is shit. You're failing at everything. You fucking hate everything, everyone, and everything is shit. But it's your fault. It's very fucking much your fault. Even if you think it's not. There is something you could have done about it. But that's not the point. Are you past those stuff? If those stuff is in the past, look at your life right now. Look at yourself. You went past that shit. And you're here now. Maybe you're in some shit again, but like that shit is past. And you're stronger now. Maybe it's your childhood trauma. Maybe your parents were beating you. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it was just something like your girlfriend left you. You know, your girls didn't like you. Teachers fucking hated you. Whatever the fuck it was. One of two things happened. It made you stronger, or it fucked you up. And if it made you stronger, that means you were working on it. That means you did not allow the shit get into you, because you're better than that. And that's what you should always do. And in this case, you should be grateful for it, because that pain, that suffering that you fucking hate is what actually developed you as the person you are today. So be grateful for everything. Without that, you would be a different person. You maybe wouldn't be on self-improvement right now. You would probably be fucked up. You would maybe be like one of those popular kids that is getting drunk every fucking day and has nothing out of his life. But you're on self-improvement. You're gonna have a better life than him now. And that fucked up event in the past helped you get here. So even if it's shit fucking hell event, be grateful for it. Because in every darkness there is some light. I'm talking about, you know, the bad stuff. So be grateful for everything. Be grateful that you were bullied. Be grateful that people hated you. Because that's what got you here. That's what made you stronger. Unless you let it get into your fucking head and destroy you mentally. But you're here. You're watching this video, so it probably didn't affect you badly, but it affected you goodly. You're trying to improve. You're trying to be better. You're not giving a fuck about these people. They're useless. They're worthless. They have no effect over you. It's just you that is allowing them to have effect over you. If you don't allow them to have effect over you, they don't. They fucking don't. They can talk shit about you, but you don't care. Why the fuck would you care? How does it affect your life? Every fucking one around you can hate you. So what? Don't like me, bitch. Oh, he likes me. I don't give a fuck if he likes me. I don't give a fuck if he dislikes me. It's important if I like you. And if you like me back, good shit. If I like you and you don't like me, I don't give a fuck. If I don't like you but you like me, I don't give a fuck. Simple. Don't worry about people, man. And be grateful for everything that happens in your life. Because if you take it as constructive kind of a thing, it's gonna make you stronger. And you should always look, how am I gonna use this failure and make sure I never fail this way again and be better next time? How am I gonna get better next time? And then get really deep on it, really make a plan, step it down to steps, and then do action of those steps. And you're gonna achieve it. And the next time this kind of a situation comes, you're gonna be better. Not the best, but better. You're probably gonna fail again, but you're gonna be better than you were last time. And the failure you did now was the kind of a thing you didn't even think of last time. And now you're gonna improve on this thing as well. And next time on that thing, and that thing, and that thing, and eventually you're gonna be so fucking chat. You right now are looking up to some people and be like, fuck, I wish I could be like them. And that's gonna be other people looking at you in some time. Of course, if you're gonna take everything as constructive and really work hard on it, you can do it. But I'm not trying to sugarcoat you or some shit here, man. I'm just trying to tell you that you should be grateful for everything and take every fucking thing as constructive. If you fail, I don't give a fuck. You failed. God taught you a lesson with this. Now it's your duty to improve and make sure you never fail that way again. So the next time you get in this situation, you're better. Fucking do that. Improve. Never fucking feel bad about yourself. Especially if you're not working on it. But even if you are, you don't deserve to feel bad about yourself. You're not working hard enough. Work harder. And you're gonna achieve your dreams. Stay hard and never give up. And ayo, pain sucks. But it's what makes us stronger. Ciao.